nga po, we are going to do the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. And for the first time ever, nagka-Apple. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and on today's video we are going to do the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6. Yan po, tama, Apple Watch Series 6. And for the first time ever ay nagkaroon na ng Apple Watch Series 6 ang lola nyo. Ang tagal kong inintay, Apple Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th series finally is here. And this is the only time na nag-decide ako na mag-order kasi before naaawa ako doon sa aking mga watch. So kaya on today's video, eto na, I have 2 Apple Watches. First, I am going to unbox the titanium version. Actually, I am wearing the titanium version already because I couldn't wait the other day na i-unbox siya. But then, I just want to show you guys na this is the real box of the Apple Watch that I ordered. And ayan na nga po. Took it out from the box. And this is it. O, diba? This is the titanium version. And may click siya dyan. I already took out the plastic because again, I'm wearing the watch. And yan na po siya. Hirap po kasi. And this is the face of the titanium. Actually, this kind of face is only exclusive for the titanium version. Yan siya. And it comes with the modern buckle band. Yan siya. And this one costs like $149. This is the first time I'm going to open this up. Pinapaltan ko pa siya sa Apple kasi medyo siya maliit. For the first time I got it. So this is it. Ayan siya. And this is the medium size. Ayan siya. Actually, this one comes in a different colors, but I opt with that color, the saddle brown. So, and that will be matching my purses. Kaya, ito na lang instead of getting the pink one because the Louis Vuitton color, it will match this. So, yun. Pag gamit ko yung mga purses, then I'll use this band. Diba? Okay siya. So, but then anyway, we are going to do the unboxing of this titanium version. See, that's the box. Designed by Apple in California. Yan siya. And then, when you guys open here, it actually comes with a charger. Comes with a stainless steel. Yan siya, stainless. So, and naka-ano siya dito, naka-roll. Then, tinanggal ko na. And, yung head ng aking watch, nakabalot siya dito. So, yun. And, actually, only the titanium version comes with a charging brick. So, eto siya. Then, this one also comes with another band. This is the sports, and actually this comes with a titanium as well, made of titanium. Kaya lang I cannot use this one kasi medyo malaki siya sa arms ko, so actually hindi ko rin siya magagamit, kaya tatago ko lang siya. So eto siya. Ayan yung mga instruction ng aking watch. Yan. So, yan. Yan yung face for the titanium version. Yan yung laman ng titanium. So, ganyan lang siya. And it actually, look at that. The shine. It's not that shiny as the stainless. Di siya ganun ka, diba? Pero may shine pa rin siya. Pero sabi nila, it looks like the aluminum, but I don't think so. This one, it looks so premium. Yung kanyang, pagkakagawa, yung casing niya, it looks premium. And also, the titanium, you don't have a choice for either GPS or cellular because it comes with both. See, if you see the red, see that one? The red on the dial, it means that you have cellular. So I also activate it na from T-Mobile. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. This is the titanium version of the Apple Watch Series 6. Bago dumating ang lola nyo, i-unbox ko na po yung Apple Watch ng aking brother. And today is his birthday. Happy birthday, Edward! Ayan, sorry naman at bubuksan na ng lola mo ang iyong Apple Watch. And eto na nga guys, eto na yung ewan ko ba, mas excited pa ako mag-unbox ng hindi sa akin. Mandaling yung sa akin ng tagal-tagal. Like, I think I have mine for like 2 weeks. And like, I didn't even open it kasi alam nyo na, kailangan akong mag-video, but then I couldn't make any video kasi wala sa mood ang lola nyo. And ayan na. Ayan na siya! And I ordered the Nike Apple Watch Series 6. Ayan, wala na po siyang laman. And, oh my god, I'm so excited. Because I ordered him the 44mm Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 6. So, ayan. When I open up my box, it has the same thing. May patab din po siya. Ayan. And this one, you're gonna put it like that. Oh my god, nasira ko siya. But in anyway, I will do the unboxing for him. Okay, maingay. Napinuksan ko siya. Kaya yan. Pabalik ko na lang mamaya. Kasi ganun din naman. Mamaya I need to set up his phone. But anyway, yan na siya, guys. OMG, I'm so excited. Bubuksan na natin siya. Ito. Actually, the way you open this is the same as the other one. There's like something here. And then, like, they're trying to open this like madrama. Ang iba. So, school Lord. Ako, yan, struggling na naman. So, ayan. Ayan siya. OMG, look at that. Oh my god, this is so cool. Ta-da! So, this is the Nike version. And ang kagandahan ng Nike version, you can get the Nike band. See? Yan yung Nike band niya. Isn't it so cool? I got the black one. He said he wants the black. And this is a space gray. So, let's see how it looks. OMG. May naamoy akong kakaiba. Sa unang bukas, may bago siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. OMG, see, look. It's again. Ayan siya. Anong nakalagay dito? OMG, iba yung nakalagay sa kanya. Designed to athletes by Apple and Nike. You see? Iba yun din sa akin. Sa akin, designed by, Apple, California. Ito, designed to athlete by Apple and Nike. O, diba? Galing siya. And, ito yung klase ng kanyang charger. See, that's the difference between the titanium version and the aluminum. This one comes with a plastic. This one is stainless steel. So, mo, hindi ko pa po natatanggal kasi wag na, baka magasgas eh. Kaya mo na siya. And ito, plastic version siya. Kasi mas mura siya. Mine cost me like, I think, $899 with the band because I chose the $149 band. So, ayun, really, umabot siya ng 980 something, I guess. Ang kayo maingay. Huwag na lang mag-comment yung iba dyan. Alam ko COVID time, but then, guys, this is it. Let me see how it looks. Actually, it's like, it's heavier than mine. And this is the aluminum version. So, let me open it. My God, guys. OMG. This is the space gray version. And compare with the titanium. See? That's siya. But it's so cute. So, ito yung kanyang band. Medyo expert na ako paglalagay ng band. Kasi, paglaruan ko na siya. Yan, may patab din po siya. And actually, this one costs like $449 plus tax, something like that. And yan, may dalawa rin siyang sizes. If you have a bigger wrist, yan, ito yung gagamitin mo. But then if you have a small one, ito lang yung gagamitin. This is exclusive only for the Nike version. So, ayan siya. What you need to do is just slide it. Ayan. Pag narinig nyo na yung sound ng click, it's already, and this one is facing down. You see that? I'm gonna put it like this. See? You guys gonna hear the click. Oh, ayan. Ayan na siya. See? That's... Actually, I'm struggling to put this. That's why I don't like this kind of band. You know, just like... I need an assistant. Pwedeng pakitulungan niyo po ako. If ever I use the this kind of band. Look, it's like so big for my arms. So that's why I chose this kind of band instead. And there you go, guys. This is, see, that's the compare the two. See, medyo malaki lang siya. It's like 4mm. This is 40mm. This is 44. So if you have like a bigger wrist, so you go with the 44, and if you have a smaller one like mine, so go with the 40. So yun lang siya, guys. If you're gonna ask me, cause since I'm wearing my titanium for quite a while, I think it's almost 2 weeks, so I like it because when I'm at work, nire-remind niya ako, oh, time to stand up, or you know, you set your goals for the day on how many times you need to stand up, the calories you need to burn, and the workout that you need to do for the, you know, for the whole day. And it will remind you to breathe, and then may ECG rin siya, and then yung blood oxygen level mo, may measure din niya. Yun, nakakatuwa lang siya dahil mamomotivate ka on your daily activities na kailangan you move more, or you know, whatsoever. Yeah, look at my ring for today. Ayan na siya. So, bale, mga 43 calories na lang lahat ng ring ko today, ay buo na siyang lahat. Yun, nakakatuwa lang. Just like, it motivates me to move more rather than just like being steady at work or something, you know. Okay naman siya. So far, kahit medyo mahal yung nabili ko, okay naman siya. So there you go, guys. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and for those who's new here, please subscribe to my channel, guys, and like nyo na rin, and click the notification button para ma-update kayo for every single video na i-upload ng lola nyo. Thanks guys for watching.